Hello everyone, welcome back to Fiya Foods. I hope you are doing well. Today we will be making Vetkoek. It's a South African bread that is made fried in oil and it puffs up and it's really delicious. To make the bread you will be needing around 4 cups of flour, 1 packet of instant yeast, 1 teaspoon of salt or salt to taste, and 1 teaspoon of brown sugar. Make a hole in the middle and add around 1 tablespoon of oil. Add lukewarm water as required. I've used around half a cup of water, but you should add little as required so that the dough won't be too doughy and too soft. Knead the dough together until it is soft and then brush oil on top of the dough and then cover it with a plastic or cling wrap. Let the dough rise for 30 to 45 minutes. Keep it in a microwave or oven or a warm place so that it can rise quickly. After the dough has risen for 30 to 45 minutes, inflate it and knead it for 2 minutes so that the dough will be soft and all the air will come out from the dough. After kneading the dough for 2 minutes, break into pieces and roll it into balls and let it aside. Please watch the full video as it really helps out my channel. Don't skip this video and let me know in the comments from which country you're watching my video from. Flatten the dough down into a round circle. Ensure that the dough isn't that thick. It should be really thin. You can also roll it out using a roller pin or flatten it with your hands, whichever is easier for you. And while flattening it, you should put oil on your palms or on your fingers and then flatten it down. It really makes it easier to flatten the dough. Cover with cling wrap and let it rise for 5 minutes, and in the meanwhile you can preheat the oil that you will be using to fry the bread in. Once the oil is heated, add the dough into the oil and let it fry, and while frying take a spoon and throw oil over the top part so that the bread will puff up. Turn over when it is golden on one side and then fry the other side, and once it is golden, remove from oil. Place in a strainer or on a kitchen roll paper to remove the excess oil from the bread. And the bread is ready, the fat cook is ready. Please do try this recipe out and let me know in the comments how it was. And I hope you like this video. Please give this video a huge thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, leave a comment down below, and share it with your family and friends. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.